Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Happy Wednesday, by the way. Happy Wednesday. Today's video is going to be very short, hopefully sweet. I think I always say my vehicles are short and they end up being like 15 minutes. Anyways, what you guys see here is my ceramic coating. This is a 3-year ceramic coating going on its second year, and it looks amazing. But she just had an accident, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys on this next clip a little bit of how the paint is, or how the water behavior is acting after 2 years. Now, I service this car every 2 weeks. I haven't seen it in about, I think it's been about a month, due to it's been at the body shop. They had to, I think the accident was in the front. But overall, I mean, the vehicle really looks in great shape. So I'm gonna show you, hopefully you guys see on the clip, a little bit of the water behavior. This one has a 3-year on the paint. We got a 2-year on the windows. So it's the 2-year mark is reaching on the windows, but it's still working. So let me show you what we're going to be working on, how we're going to repair it, and we'll go from there. Camera can capture a little bit of what I'm going to be repairing, which is this whole front side right here. You can see they left all the swirls on the front bumper. You can see it right here, literally where the guys just grab the polisher and they go to town on it. So we got to repair this whole front side right here, a little bit on the top side where they polished out. So we just got to do that quick repair. Look at that, you can just see it. It's just horrible. So we're gonna be repairing this whole front grille, and then as well we're gonna be recoating it. So we're gonna recoat it again. And some may wonder, it's a 3-year coating, Carlos, what are you gonna put on there? I'm still gonna put the 3-year coating on that one. Some may just put like a 1-year coating because that's all that's really left of the coating, but we're gonna put the 3-year back on there because that's what they paid for in the first place. So let me get all set up, and we'll be back with the polishing, coating, and we are out of here. This whole front, we pretty much blended all the I guess the buffing trails from the body shop. But overall, this thing came out really I love it when this one cleans up. So we are gonna put it back into the garage, and I still gotta do the tires, and we'll be set. If you guys ever run into an issue where, you know, one of your customers had a wreck and they need to get their vehicle recoated, have them usually have them check with the body shop, and have them, you know, let them inform them, as long as you have an invoice of the coating that was performed whenever it was done. Usually the insurance should pay for the, you know, for the repair. So always, you know, just tell your customers, hey, check with your insurance, you know, and tell them that your vehicle got coated. And usually I haven't had an issue, but usually the insurances will ask for a invoice of the coating, right? That way they have it for proof that the customer did pay for the coating. And usually they'll give you, it's like a $500 up to $500 for the repair. So, you know, for this spot right here that I repaired, you know, it would have been $500 for the correction and the coating, right? And that gets your car pretty much protected again. Of course, pricing will always vary, just because, you know, since it was just this right here, I literally told the customer that I was gonna, it's a $300 package. So I come in, polish all this out really nicely, recoat it, and you're good. But you know, sometimes your accidents are on the side, and what they tend to do is they will literally deteriorate your whole coating. I'm glad this body shop did it. Didn't go like all the way to the hood, but it was, the coating was still intact. So that was literally a win for me. So for this package was $300 for the repair, which was the whole front grille recoat, plus another $150 for the maintenance wash, which is the interior vacuum, windows clean, interior blown out really well. So overall, it was a really good job. It really didn't take a lot. I think I've been here maximum 2 hours, because this was just literally a quick repair. It wasn't something like, you know, you were in there and really trying to correct their mistakes other than the buffing trails. But it came out really well, guys. So hopefully today's video kind of helped you guys out. Obviously, we use T3 from DPC Detailing. That's their 3-year coating. For the machine today, I used my new MaxShine 8mm throw with a Rupes pad and F6 from Coach Kemi for the polishing stage, IPA, and then obviously coat. So happy Wednesday, guys. I hope today's video kind of helped you guys out. Kind of understand if you ever get an issue like that where your customer gets in a wreck and you just coated it or something, have an invoice. Always give them an invoice or have them in your file. That way, whenever they do need it for repair purposes or reimbursement, you know, they have a backup to where you did it, and they have a physical copy of your business and everything. And usually that insurances won't trip. They'll just say, okay, when can you come in and do it? We're done with it. So you'll go to the body shop or wherever, you know, correct it, coat it, and you're done. For this case, customer brought it home, so I just come here and took care of it. So hopefully you guys have a blessed Wednesday. I can't wait to show you my next giveaway. I think it's literally getting delivered today. So overall, I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe. I'll see you guys next time.